Hi, welcome to Fratello Initech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. So I'm here to explain about like and not like operators in MySQL. So here we have like operator. It is used to search for a specific pattern in MySQL. It is commonly used with a where class and so percentile wildcard represents 0 or more characters here, and underscore wildcard represents a single character. So like helps to find the records when the exact value is unknown. So here we have some queries on the like operator. So let's check one by one. So find the employees whose name starts with A. So if you want to retrieve the data, so if you want to search the patterns, you have to use the like operator. So here we have queries, find the employees whose name starts with A. So let's check one. So select star from employees where name like A percentile. So if you define percentile symbol after the character, so it will display whose name starts with A. Let's check that. Select star from employees where. So here we have to use our column name, first name, I think, yeah, first name. So where first name like so A. So here I am searching the patterns names. So in this query, so it will display whose name starts with A. Just select the query and execute it. See that? So here we have one record 110. So this list starts with A. Suppose if you want to find out yes, then select. So only one person is there in the database list, employee list. So next one, so find the employees whose name ends with N. Again, so here the difference is if you are defining the percentile symbol after the characters, so it will display whose name starts with A. Suppose if you are defining the percentile symbol before characters, it will display whose name ends with N. So not only N, whatever you have specified, so according to it will display. So select select start from employees where first name like, so here whose names ends with N, percentile N. So you can take single quotes or double quotes, so anything, so it will accept, MySQL accepts. So here we have list whose name ends with S. 5 records, 5, 9, 11, 15, 17 records having the end of the name N. So next one, find the employees whose name contains AR. Whose name contains AR means, so in the middle of the name, suppose if the name having AR, so it will display. So from, if you want to extract the names substring from the source string, so you have to use the like operator. So you have to define percentile symbols both sides. So if you want to retrieve from the middle of the source string, So here I am finding that select start from employees where first name like percentile. So here we have to give the AR anything, not only AR, you can give anything. So here we have no data. Suppose I am searching about NI. Just you have to give the both sides. No. So just search that. So NI. So here we have list 4 records having NI. So these names contains NI in the middle of the source string. So next one, underscore symbol, underscore wildcard represents single character. So find the employees with exactly 5 letter names. Then select start from employees where first name like. So here we have syntax. So just give 5 underscores. So it will display whose names having 5 letters. So these names all are having 5 letters. So in this way we are using the like operator, we are using the wildcards, percentile and underscore symbols. So with the like operator, and one more operator is not like operator, it is used to exclude the matching patterns. So not like returns the rows that don't match the given pattern, and the like and not line are mainly used with the text data. So these operators make searching data more flexible, and like and not like are useful for filter large data sets. So here we have some queries on not like operator. So find the employees whose name does not starts with S. So whose name does not starts with S. Select start from employees where first name like. So here we have to use the not like whose name does not starts with S. So just select the query and execute it. So these names are having, so does not have starts with S. So it will starts with other characters. So except S. So I find the employees whose name does not end with A. Whose name does not end with A. Select start from employees where first name not like, so end with A. So just select the query and execute it. So these names are does not end with A. See that, check that. End of the character in the source string. So in the first name column. So you can also search according to dates wise and department wise, anything. Suppose if you want to retrieve who were joined in 2019, just select start from employees where hire date like, so 2019. So it will display who were joined in 2019. See that. Suppose if you want to retrieve who are not joined in 2019, just select start from employees, where hire date not live 2019 or 2020, anything you can take based on the query. So just select the query and execute it. So these IDs were not joined in 2020. So in this way we are retrieving some, so based on we can retrieve based on the first names and hire dates and department wise, anything you can retrieve based on the mobile numbers. So you can take anything. So in this way we are using the not like and like operators in MySQL. So we'll see in the next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.